Welcome to our team, new nurses. This induction program is designed to familiarize you with our hospital's policies, procedures, and culture. Thank you, Mihira. We're excited to be part of this team. To ensure patient safety, it's crucial to follow our infection control guidelines meticulously. This includes proper hand hygiene, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, and adhering to isolation precautions.
How do we prioritize tasks and manage our time effectively?
Effective time management is essential in our fast-paced environment. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Use tools like time management techniques to organize your workload.
What are the communication protocols we should follow?
Clear and concise communication is vital in healthcare. Use SBAR, situation, background, assessment, and recommendation when reporting patient conditions to ensure effective communication.
How can we maintain a positive attitude and manage stress, Mihira?
Self-care is crucial. Practice stress management techniques like mindfulness and meditation. Seek support from colleagues and supervisors when needed.
I understand that getting a urine sample from a little one can feel tricky, Mihira. I'll walk you through it step by step so you feel prepared. First, we'll encourage your daughter to drink some water so her bladder fills up nicely. This makes it much easier to get a good sample when she's ready. When it's time to collect the sample, the most important part is catching what we call the midstream. This means letting her start to go to the toilet first, then quickly placing the special sterile bottle we provide into the stream to catch the middle part of her urine. The reason we take such care is that the first and last parts of the stream can sometimes carry germs from the skin, which could contaminate the sample. Avoiding contamination is really crucial. If the sample gets contaminated, the test results can become unreliable. This might mean we can't correctly identify the specific bacteria causing her infection, which could lead to unnecessary or incorrect treatment. You're doing a great job helping us get this right for her.